Welcome to this lesson. Today we're going to talk about the past with the verb be in the negative form. So remember, for the verb be, present tense we say I am a teacher, past tense you say I was a teacher. Now we want to make it negative. We're going to just add not. You'll say I was not a teacher. We were not students. English people like to be in a hurry all the time. So sometimes when we talk, we make words short. When we write, we can also make them short, but sometimes we leave them long. So you say, I was not, you can say, I wasn't. He was not, he wasn't. She was not, she wasn't. It was not, it wasn't. And you were not. Say weren't. We were not, we weren't. They were not, they weren't. So I was not a teacher. He was not 18 years old. You were not students. So we've got was not and were not. Separate words. Now look at the next screen and you see we've joined it. So I was not a teacher. Now I wasn't a teacher. He was not 18 years old. Now he wasn't 18 years old. And you were not students. You weren't students. I was not a student in 2005. I had a job. I wasn't on holiday last week. I was sick. And they're both right. You can use two words or you can join it and make it one word. So you can write was not or wasn't. He was not a soldier in the army. He was a pilot. My brother wasn't born in London. He was born in New York. Was not, wasn't. The apple was not fresh yesterday. It was bad. His car wasn't expensive. It was cheap. Now were. So for you and we and they, we use were. You were not busy yesterday. You were bored. We weren't hot outside. We were cold. They weren't students. They were teachers. Now let's practice. I wasn't a student. I was a soldier. Or I weren't a student. I was a soldier. I wasn't a student. I was a soldier. Question 2. Ali and John at home. That's two people. So two people is they. And with they, do we use was or do we use were? Ali and John was not at home or Ali and John were not at home? Ali and John were not at home. They were at the shop. The car weren't broken or the car wasn't broken. It had no petrol, ha ha. The car wasn't broken. Now you're going to do a few on your own. Well done. So we'll see you next time. We're going to past simple verb be questions. Join us next time.